Seeing a thick cloud of black smoke trailing behind your diesel truck while your fuel economy takes a nosedive is a stressful situation, especially when your scanner reveals a P2043 code. This diagnostic trouble code is exclusive to modern clean-burning diesel engines and indicates an issue with the reductant temperature sensor circuit range, or performance. Your truck uses a sophisticated SCR or Selective Catalytic Reduction system to meet strict environmental standards by injecting DIF or diesel exhaust fluid into the exhaust stream. This fluid is critical because it helps break down harmful NOx emissions before they leave the tailpipe. The PICM needs to know the exact temperature of that fluid to time the injection perfectly and keep the filtration elements working efficiently. If the voltage coming from this temperature sensor is not within the expected parameters, the computer will store this code and might even disable the entire emission system, which could eventually lead to very expensive catalyst damage. To track down the root cause, you will need a reliable diagnostic scanner and a DVOM. Start by checking if there are any TISBDI documents for your specific truck model, as these can save you hours of guessing. You should pull the freeze frame data to see the exact conditions when the fault occurred. Then clear the code and see if it returns during a test drive. If the code is persistent, you will need to test the sensor itself by checking its resistance against the manufacturer's specific chart. If the sensor is within spec, the problem is likely a broken, shorted, or corroded wire in the harness between the sensor and the PICM or the standalone controller. Always remember to disconnect the control modules before you test the wires for continuity so you do not accidentally damage the computer. Because these sensors are often exposed to road salt and moisture under the chassis, a simple sensor replacement or a quick wiring repair is usually the secret to getting your engine back to peak performance and stopping that embarrassing black smoke.